dump all these cut chili peppers on this bowl. Pour some of the boiling water into the pepper. So I waited for 1 minute. Now we're ready to take out the chili peppers from the water. Put in a cup of white vinegar. Okay, just mix and let the sugar and salt melt and mix with the water and vinegar. Okay, just mix that. Let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll be ready soon to put into our storing bottle. Let's transfer now the mixture into this bottle. I can smell the aroma right now, and carefully seal in, and there you have it. Fridge for a couple of days. We can check it out tomorrow, but the best results usually is after 2 to 3 days. Okay, so there you have it. So after 1 day, this is the pickled chili. This is how it looks like now, so we can try this now.